Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Find X2 Lite, and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So first of all, let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find the notifications and status bar. So let's tap on it and then pick status bar. As you can see at the bottom of this first section, we've got the battery percentage. So after tapping on it, you can decide which option you want to apply, so outside the battery icon or inside the battery icon. Simply tap on the option you want to use. What is more, you can customize the battery style, which is quite cool because as you can see, instead of the horizontal or vertical, which are quite, I would say, default and normal, we've got also the loop, and we can hide it totally, so we will have only the battery percentage. Alright, so that would be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.